Hello, adventurers. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Danny, what is our adventure today?
We are heading outside of Tulsa and headed to Oklahoma City for Andretti Indoor Karting and Games.
Let's go adventuring! For this adventure, we were 2 out of 100 lucky people that were able to attend the sneak preview ribbon cutting event for Andretti Indoor Karting and Games.
Welcome in, guys.
Welcome, everybody. AC, nice to meet you.
Yeah. Wow. This place is sweet.
Yeah, this is going to be awesome.
Oh, this is a grand entrance. This is awesome.
This is going to be our gaming card that will get us access to any of the arcade games here.
Mine has Mario on it.
That's awesome. They've got different designs for
That
them.
is cool. I'm excited.
Are you ready?
The driver of the century is Mario Andretti.
Testing them out. They sound sharp.
3, 2, 1,
After the ribbon cutting ceremony was finished, it was time to have some fun. We started out by taking a look at some of the great racing details around the building. The Andretti family has a racing legacy that spans decades, and there are touches of racing all over the place. Not to mention, there were also multiple members of the family in attendance as well. It was super cool being in the presence of all of these great racers and getting a chance to meet them. This is their event area. They have a really big meeting space here. Looks like there's a couple of rooms. After gaming for a while, we took a break to try out some of the food. It smelled great, so we had to see how it tastes. Yeah, the chicken nachos, they look gigantic. And look at this burger. This food was great, and it gave us just the fuel we needed to go race. Is this for kart racing or medieval times?
About to put on our knight's helmet.
You ready?
I'm ready.
There are free lockers available to store all of your belongings while you race. We do want to point out that phones and basically any items that could be dropped onto the track are not allowed on you while racing. That includes glasses, so make sure that you are wearing your contacts if you want to be able to see the track. It also means we weren't able to film from our karts. There are 3 main races available: Adult, Intermediate, Junior, and Mini Mario Kart races for the little kids. After your race is complete, you can head over to the podium to check your fastest lap time and also to get a picture. On the upper level, there is a VR experience. This is going to be located right above the Hyperdeck. This is the Hyperdeck area where you're playing VR. They said this is the newest one in the country.
They said this is the newest game for this particular Hyperdeck.
The attractions here are out of this world. a 2-story black light laser tag arena, racing simulators that make you feel like you are in the race, and an epic 7D experience which combines the feeling of watching a movie with a roller coaster and zombie blaster game all in one. Hello, thank you. Awesome artwork here for the opening. In line for signature. All right. Oh, thank you. This is awesome. Thank you. Bunch of legends. Table of legends. I appreciate it. Thank you. Definitely one of the coolest souvenirs to take home. This looks wild. What is it?
I don't know. I can't figure it out.
This right here is my jam. Any of these coin pusher games. Love playing these. What? No way. John Hammond? Nice. Hey, you like that 3000 one?
Yay!
Woo!
I do love skee ball. He was trying to film and play at the same time.
Bullseye. Bullseye.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
A lot of cool games in here, huh?
What a cool prizes.
A lot of cool prizes. If you like coin pusher games, they have several here.
Go check out the Victory Lane redemption area. See what prizes they have.
Okay.
Adventurers, this concludes our time here at Andretti Indoor Karting and Games, and we had such a great time out here.
If you enjoyed this adventure and you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can see a new video every single Friday, and follow us on our Facebook and Instagram.
We'll see you on our next adventure.